Coast Guard clear hold. Right 2, plane 1.
So we're here, myself and a colleague from the Great Lakes. We've traveled to Quebec to deliver a 3-day search and rescue course with the Kahnawake First Nation. The objective of the training is to provide search and rescue development and capacity building to coastal communities so that they can respond on the water and become more self-sufficient when it comes to marine response. We'll get things kicked off this morning here. We need 3 teams here in the classroom to stick around. Participants range from the Kahnawake Peacekeepers and emergency management and general public safety personnel. They're all very motivated and very excited to be here.
The Peacekeepers have been around for over 50 years. We are the police for the Kahnawake Mohawk territory located in Quebec, just south of Montreal. We do day-to-day patrol. We also practice what's called community policing.
So we do highway safety and traffic. We respond to emergency calls for assistance.
And with us being so close to a large body of water and the amount of calls that we do receive, with this further knowledge, we'll be able to assist in a far greater way than we were able to before.
We have a shipping lane that comes through the community, the seaway, we have the river, we have a marina, we have a lot of boaters from the community who have their own vessels, so we wanted to make sure that in the case of emergency that we were prepared and we knew what to do.
Turn your wheel.
So by working with the Coast Guard, it gives us a better idea of what we need to do to be more effective responders.
And being trained by the Coast Guard itself will just make not just the citizens of Kahnawake, but the people that are visitors in Kahnawake on the waterways that much more safe.
In the past 2 days, they've been learning the theory and some foundational skills on search and rescue, but today we're going to put those skills to the test.